initial round, after the first initial round, we had two technical interviews. The first interview revolved around the yes and algo question, as well as a question which was aligned to what the company was doing. And even in the second round, second technical interview, we had a DS algo question as well as a system design question, again which was aligned to what the company was doing. So no, it is just, you have to just keep applying as well as just keep coding. So it's basically LinkedIn as well as Angel List. So personally, just code and DS algo, yeah, DS algo. For me, it was a accumulation of many things, like the weekly assignments, the project phase, and the hackerot test as well towards the end. Keep learning, develop new web apps, and just keep applying to companies.